What's the meaning of coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction.
Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction is a type of word that is used to connect two independent clauses or phrases within a sentence. Common coordinating conjunctions include and, but, or, for, yet, and so. When used correctly, they help to make sentence structures clear and concise by linking similar ideas or adding contrast. For example, I ate breakfast, and then I went for a walk. In this sentence, the coordinating conjunction enjoins two independent clauses to show a sequence of events.